Good morning, students. Now we are going to start a new chapter, statistics. Now the first problem of exercise 14.1. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environmental awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants, 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. So number of plants and number of houses. Number of plants 0 to 2 in one house. Number of plants 2 to 4 in two houses. Number of plants 4 to 6. Number of houses is 1. That is, those houses which are having 6 to 8 plants is 5. 8 to 10 is 6. 10 to 12 is 2. 12 to 14 is 3. So it is given this way. You have to find which method did you use to find the mean and why. You are supposed to find the mean number of plants per house. So mean is nothing but average, as you studied in your lower classes, previous classes and all which you have studied is the mean number. How you know very well how to take average or arithmetic mean or mean. Now we have discussed three formulas to take mean. What are the formulas? First one is direct method. Direct method is x bar equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Next method is assumed mean method. So in that we used to find x bar equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. Next one is the step deviation method, which goes as x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi into h. Now we have three methods to find the mean of the given problem. So they are asking us which method will you prefer for this particular type of problem. So since the problem is based only on small numbers, look at the numbers, all the numbers are less than 10. So the calculation part will be simple. So it is enough if we go with direct method. Now let me discuss what is direct method. So for direct method, what you have to do is first write number of plants, the class interval which is given in the first column. 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. You notice that what number ends here comes in the first of the next class interval. So it ends with 4. In the next class interval you start with 4. So that way you have to check all the class intervals. Only after checking these class intervals we have to proceed with the problem. You know, if it is not continuous, how to make it continuous. Number of houses, this is the frequency. So this has to be written as fi. So frequency you write next to this one. This class mark is nothing but the midpoint of this class interval. So 0 to 2, what is the midpoint is 1. So in some cases, in problems in which you are not able to find midpoint, so better what you can do is you can add 0 plus 2 and divide it by 2, which will give you 1. 2 plus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So first one is 1, second one is 3, 4 and 6 midpoint will be 5, 7, 9, 11. Next is 30. Now we found what is xi. Fi xi is nothing but just multiplying the number fi with the number xi of that particular class interval. So here 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 into 7 is 35. 6 into 9 is 54. 2 into 11 is 22. 3 into 13 is 39. So to find the mean, you need sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Sigma is nothing but the summation, adding everything. Fi xi is each one you have. Sigma is summation of all. So when you add all the things, that will give you the value of sigma fi xi. You add everything, you will get 162. Similarly, sigma fi you have to find, which is nothing but adding all the frequencies sigma fi, which is 20. Now, we are going to use direct method, as I told you previously. Direct method. Now, main is sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So sigma fi xi is 162 divided by 20, which is equal to 8.1. Hence, the number of plants per house is 8.1. So they have asked us, which method did you use to find the mean and why? So this, since they have asked this question, we have to give them the reason. So since the number of plants and houses are small, we use direct method to find mean. Copy it in your classwork, children.